welcome to my sixth tutorial regarding Ansys software. I believe you have already completed the previous 5 lectures and enjoyed it. It's a very short review. Just focus on my research site. And so let's start today's tutorial. When you just open your Ansys software, you will see such type of interface. And today I gonna teach you about the drawing module from where we can draw our model. So for this, just we from the analysis system, any of the what type of analysis they're gonna be. So from here, what you want, just that analysis system you just shift here, and you see now your analysis system is here, and you have already known about the engineering data what I discussed the previous lecture. So I am trying to teach you today this geometry. If you just click on the right side of your mouse, you will see a lot of things. You see there are 3 types of drawing module here: new design modular geometry, new discovery geometry, new space claim geometry. And another thing is it's a bonus from this tutorial. I will also show you how to import the external geometry to your drawing module. Okay, so at first I will show you the new design modular geometry. Just click on it, and to open your drawing module it will take some time. So now you are in your design modular module. So I will introduce with you all the details, but you see here the left side is static structural. You see there are 3 panel. So just click the right side of your mouse. So you see look at, just click here, so you can draw here now. Okay, so here you can see the sketching. Just click here. You see there are several tools. For example, line. So you can draw the line. Okay, you can draw the line. So here you can see the rectangle. So you can easily draw the rectangle. You see the circle, so you can draw the circle. Okay, so here you can draw your module, draw your model. So it's a very basic initial phase of your drawing module, design modeler. So let's start our second module. Okay, so now you will see your another module here, a new space claim geometry. Okay, so now you will see your another module here, a new space claim geometry. Just double click here. Among these 3 drawing module, whatever you like, you can draw easily your expected model. Okay, now your space claim module, drawing module is open now. So when your module is opened, then just click your end sketch ending. So you will see such type of interface now. Just click on your sketch mode. So you can see such type of bridge. So here you can see there are many symbols for drawing, for example line. So you can draw the line, circle, you can draw the circle, rectangle, you can draw the rectangle. You see you easily draw the polygon. So you can draw the draw the polyline. Okay, so it's about the very initial discussions about second drawing module, space claim. So now it starts with our third module. So before starting our third module, so we may first delete, so then again start. So now now we will start our new discovery geometry. Just double click, just close, then close. Now our third drawing module open now. So here you can see the such type of sketching tools. For example, it's a line. You can easily draw the line. You can easily the construction line. It's a circle and it's a 3-point circle, and you see it's a polygon. Okay, it's a circle. So whatever I am trying to show you is a very basic, just showing you the interface, how we can draw something. So the last topic for today, and it's about now I am trying to show you how to import the external geometry. So for this we just delete, and again I am trying to import. Here you can see the import geometry. Browse, click browse, and there is a SolidWorks. So just open. So what you actually imported your desired geometry, it was from the SolidWorks. So just click on edit geometry. Any of the drawing module you can use it, so don't worry about it. So just here you can see the import, what you have actually import your geometry. Just click here and generate. Okay, so this is very important tutorial for starting your new project. Hopefully you have got the points and you enjoyed it. So keep watching my tutorials. Thank you very much.